this video is not going to be one of those videos where I will shout, yes, you can do it. You have the power, you have the ability. Go kill it. And you will get motivated. But that motivation will hardly rest for some hours or a day or two. Now the JE time is coming, and seeing the situation, just what happened in 2020 can happen now also. All lockdown, you don't have fixed date of examination. You are getting frustrated. Although I pray that won't happen, but just as one of your friends who has a little bit greater experience than you want to share something. There will be one thing common in the coming days and the life, just as the life is not fixed. Although you know you won't be living for 200 years, but you don't know up till when you will live. You don't have any fixed duration. Similarly, in the coming days, it might happen that you would be sure that exams would happen, but you don't know when. You would know that you have limited time to prepare, but not aware of that small quantity of that time. The best thing which you can do is utilizing each and every second for the good. Do not waste time scrolling social media, Instagram reels, watching web series, etc. If you really want to achieve the things you have decided, pick your pen up, start writing the things you are going to do that day. Remember, you will fail, you will fall, but also remember, success has many fathers, but failure is orphan. Might be possible, nobody would be there to support you, to encourage you, but you are always with yourself. Take an hour, go outside, all alone. In the morning, talk to yourself. What am I doing and why am I doing? There is something inside you which is beyond success and failure. It has no reason to exist, even though it exists. See the nature around yourself. The river, the mountains, the animals, the birds. They have no reason to exist, but they exist. So don't get stressed up. Just improve yourself. Doesn't matter whether a friend knows a chapter better than you. If you are better than your yesterday version, then you are just going right. Keep fighting. Keep hustling.